Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about a topic that's very easy to confuse in PCB design, the difference between mark points and test points. Many beginners think these two are the same, but in fact their purposes are completely different. Let's start with test points. A test point, usually labeled as TP, is a path specifically reserved for electrical testing. During the debugging stage, engineers can use an oscilloscope, multimeter, or test probe to contact this point and measure voltage, current, or signal waveforms. Test points are also very important for later maintenance and troubleshooting. So, the core purpose of a test point is to facilitate electrical measurement and debugging. There are two ways to add test points. One method is to place them directly in the schematic and then transfer them to the PCB. The other method is to place them directly in the PCB editor and then connect them to the required NAND. Both approaches achieve the same result. Now let's look at the mark points. We introduced how to draw mark points in a previous video. You can search for how to create mark points for more details. Mark points are typically used for SMT production and served as process reference points. During manufacturing, manufacturers use these points for optical recognition, positioning, or to assist automated equipment operations. They are not intended for measuring electrical signals and may not even be connected to critical circuit nodes. In other words, the core purpose of a mark point is to support the manufacturing process. To summarize, test points are used by engineers for electrical testing. Mark points are used by manufacturers during the production process. They are used at different stages. One is mainly for development and debugging, while the other is for manufacturing. When designing a PCB, make sure to add the appropriate type based on your actual needs and avoid mixing them up. That's all for today's sharing. If you found this helpful, please like and save the video. See you next time for more practical PCB design tips.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.